Sawese. Any sene ya kumwela. It's all in the way.
Please share this video. Good evening, everybody. Now you call on your Ketty Kere. Ketty not doing. No, they go on a boom. Oh. I make up we are going to Ketty one because you to be a doing, no?
Where's
Please share this video. Skin yo yo. Please share this video. Please then support me by sharing this video. God bless you. A page you know Sagano. Anybody when you find me now, yeah, but they give her to run. If you never follow my Proud Monkeys TV, that one to motivate my fellow beautiful single mom how to get a better life. How man not going to misuse you because you be single mom than are there with the learner. Yeah, this page now for Saga. Sagalichos. Oh. I make up we are going to get one. In my only waist, I'm treating my face. No more makeup for 1 week. Please share this video. Si eketekia vision on beome. Oh yeah, shower. Tina, you are welcome. Please support me by sharing. Thank you. What you get to many don't matter when I have your wa. When I have done the moshi. Well, I don't want to I am when. Well, I am when Mila. I bet share me. Oh, my breast will fall. Tina, you are welcome, my lady. Thank you so much. I love you all. Mona share this video and I know they get and clear. I beg Mona share. Abanwa ya gweketi guwa. Masopo nishi egudo ya gwe guwa. Cause I been no. She's a dirty soul. How can a woman be dirty like that? That is the reason I come out for her to motivate her, to put her through. Because of Omae or Mama Nyagi. It's a shame. It's a shame. She for me, she brings disgrace to us as a woman. How can a woman be that dirty? In this 21st century, a woman in her husband's house. Man, a single mom, our children is sleeping in a good bed. How can a married woman or children be lacking? Justice for Ketekia daughters. Justice for Ketekia children. Justice. We need justice for the children. Justice for her children. Oh my God. Because I've been with Yaki. My skin alone, Master Lakia. Ay, Jesus. Why are those people so dirty? Uhona rita yenye to shijoto. Ketekia latia bonde no gbe o. Ketekia umeiwa. You don't know your mate. Look at Keteke Ekurita Kishi. Ohenye muwa. Owa gbe o. Please share this video. Take it me. You want to person it person needs to call on your cat near Bobby. Because I'm a responsible mother who have time for her children. A mother of Katipa, a responsible one as that. Oh, we no ever planning life for me. I beer, agbema, no more. Aya ewe, agba over more. Ijo mesoro. Iya wari no more. Awa lise fuma. Oh, I'm a good mother. No. Oh, when I hear Betty no be when you are irresponsible mother. We have to be saying the truth. How can a child in this 21st century still be sleeping in such bed? Donation, please, guys. Let us donate. I will donate 500 euro for kids. Tell her to send me an account number. You can't that way. I will live video presenter na ni ohuwa. Ni buwa o eya o pusewo. Me we me. Ime yeta ogwani me je na na yogwa me atagwa I'm still looking for a house. Ya ye no me we no gwana wa gbase. We no gwana wa mosisi we eme balcony and the only furniture wa me. Imana ina furniture le mateti avec ba ile to park. Ile to park o se imana e furniture to my taste. Ioni mio we gbe choice me no me guide ni pieka na ku ke na mo changolo va jori pieka. Ew! A proud mommy nini. Yewe ke na eni ge alage o. A proud mommy. A proud mommy. We ke ke avu nini. Anno me we. Wana mio fake name. Yewe ke na eni ge eni lage. Oge ke ti ona owa. Wana wu wero wosu. Ya be blame we ya be tami reason. Na ya blame we because aboki we marry. Aba ya unsani re. In Nigeria, you don't know how those people behave. So, if you are saki, if you are saki, you understand. Don't go around not in a sad daughter for one or a kitty. A ketekia. Whoa, you are the most useless mother. You are the most useless mother so far. No way ya give more ya bet ni no way ni amula jabe public or email latin. How can a responsible mother, many single mother, I proud jo because ma owa ma reso atagwe areso gbigbe age ana lawa. E so gbigbe age ana owa me ma gbigbe age yika I me rie we bodo pake. No we yin me we no lajo lesi bo ma ene I me rie we bodo pake ma re do gbigbe age ita. He marry one of them. Man understand? He read the packet. I just get the answer for 4 months. He never pay normally. The initial one for 2020 euro. I pay for 4 months plus. I pay it be safe. Oh man, no big again. No, it fast. It is for 1 year, 2 years. So I'm not. I give me the way, but also he also need also all shower. Well, I'm boys run over level. Run ya. So one expect what man can do, woman cannot do it. And when anybody away put up bashawo, ya. Sorry, me ya. I say I think was shawo. That be my son yo wa. Nene your son or me I feel weak. We are not here wepo or bashawo because linya bebekbe. Man understand? So I can take care. When I want give you where have ye bet in me. Many single mother when not allowed in the public way. A single mother me can do kai. Me master where. Me master where. E beg ogwani meje na ti mi apa ya se ni ya ejo e redet ni wakabo la ejo why because ni ya pa manare area ya block a future around his you a destiny way o ma understand so ogwani meje na ti mi apa yo wana re ni na kwa lo wana eni ya no re ma do se gbe bet ni almost 1,005 ya say ya everything I'm going to leave it you got me I'm going to leave the everything. Man, that's a set of room worth 5K. A room because of the nearly 8 years in there now. My son is getting to 8 years. So I have to change everything, his school things, room, wall, everything. Yeah, say yeah. New one or no. Ni loan and or say 2 years in there. I will leave everything in my house and go to my new house with my new furniture. He plan you Tony. He can take your work bell. He may tie I will single mother enter house. Me enter house because I men or all. I'm in first class top. Anything you I make sure I be on top. Men lag yeke. Say I go single mother. Me better be single mother. Dan yado ya go be opanoma enegbe not to gbe me destiny. Emi ya ni e suffer you that moment or to say me ya koton. Me azamu me one like who believe in me ke on do. We just. Igele mi opiani no nshi na rie no wo. Opiani no respect na rie no wo. Opiani no bo na ya moko. Opiani no goko do le mi e shi e na gae. We wa roboto ayamwe. A roboto ayamwe goto we jena kitekia. O wonso we jena we geri toto queen no ge imete e kishi me imiana awe fitio ne toto we ime change ogwa we spend kere. Opo Spain Kere, I start in Chemi and I meet up. Do you know about the Spain? The other 3 years, every year I organize it. As an Atalat woman that I have always been. Anywhere in the area, not the wepo. Ita no every me ruwa for some show me now. When no lot not to follow Nissan. No the real live video with Proud Mom Gist TV. Ema yani reza la kosi ya lati yangu ya hemi. Na pa the time ruwa. A city ma the city time I was the #1 girl. No he I need to live video because any we fake na do ye na meta ruwa. Eketi when I see me a single mother. Ha! Oh, say, even yo, I tell you so that they form. Why I not go form when I know myself? Why I not go form? Why I not go form when I know myself? Me now when I know when mama say me, either form, either way, I will bring myself down because I'm a single mom. I'm pure work behind me. They never born you. You will abide to my regulation and I will abide to your regulation. I will respect you and you will respect me. Please share this video. The single mother ya mi o one no kinya feel like on the gallant one. Ni a Latin, ni a do learn sense. Na me a do fear to ave no get take care of no fear to a just fear to or more down brought up a child in the way it should grow. When it grow, it will not depart from it. Have a bono bodo or bono sio dokoto bono destiny. Imagine. Oh, when I buy the bed, no me a walking here. Imagine the bed even o sereki. A bed even mattress, or no dog bon better one, you see 1,000 euro. A bed is set of bed by mattress. Correct mattress in a more low yeshi. A bed yaga a massage in a meta massage. You no correct mattress. You no a set a bed or a bed is everything will be like 1,000 highest 1 2. We met in there, many single mom. Money di measure na be woji. O ma meni iyen luwe o kono ga cheap maka. So fe measure wo mono. Ime eni ile gbase na. Ime o we wo isi no ko pio ba decide to be. Ime tani opo no bie. No eri e ba koko bie no do ya beki. We no si egbele loro bie. O ma ya tiofia me o unu ya tiofia me. So if you cannot take care of your child, please endure with your husband. You understand me? Do you got me? You understand? So a keti lare, boy ya work basere a boy when I go about the bed of money boy. A ket of one boy. Where who about the bed of money you wear? Oh, when not pass a boy of ye more you say go baboki. Oku must to be cats. Oku must to be cats. No one gonna work be keti tie. Tete a warrior go make up. You understand? If I want to talk to her, I not the makeup again. Because I don't want me to waste my makeup. Because now I dey use MAC. And MAC I dey use. It is expensive for sex. I don't feel the waste time for person. When you not feel bad bed for our children. Imagine. Woman when you not feel bad bed for our children. Now you can't use my expensive makeup. Can't take the address. What a pity. If you to me, man salon. Because some woman have a dress in bujo. Yo! Eketi la owo. Ya don't let that me weji. Don't let that me weji. Don't let that me weji. How? Keti wa da me weji we le ku we ro wa ba. Ijo le gbigbe agia. We le gbigbe agia. Wo me ba ko boku gbe ya debeti. What a pity generation. Ah! What a pity generation. Avijo me so ya ave de debo. Eni jo e ni no gbigbe agia. Ti agia ka ti ne je. Ijo me ba debeti le mo. I go here go cry for kids. Justice for kids children. Justice for kids children. Justice for kids children. Donation. Donation. I will donate 500 euro cash and carry. You go me watch it any more. Ya mojo ilo rototoa. I am so it must me ego the room me. It must me go the room me. You put your Katie. Kids. Every get you raw. No between that the joke. Justice 500 ita. You gonna never know you 5k no. Yeah, opun imaru ga not ya hin. Not ya hin. E kati no e fi get ru e fa ke kan no na. E tu e fa. Ina do 100 na. Ina do e pa e. Gay. Justice for K children. I donate 500 euro. If 31 more, you go yananu. In the final corner. Kate, I give you 500 euro for your children bed. 500 euro for K children. 500, the man who burn a channel. I see, oh, I'm in Katamo, I'm a hustler. Any year yakungo. You and Equingo, I don't also with my bekus. Imaus, imitaria webo. I think when you are when I really lepo. What to have a back, eh? Where boy a lap, so well party. Oh, Egbe was done, a big done, him when Nepo, in my way. I may when him out do it that I will be able to do it. No kun ozu ogbe oye gbegbe aja ozu oye gbegbe aja ozu iju opa ozu ano ye gbegbe aki aketi iju opa no eketi iju opa no. Kate, I give you this 500 euro to buy your children bed. I'm a mother. Iju moki ogun we ohua. That's why we ohua. Child is for everybody. Children is for everybody. Children is for everybody. I'm hereby to donate 500 euro for K children. Please send me your account number. I'm hereby. I love children. That's why we tie me. We tie no me. We to agbe omo gbe iho. We might tie no where. But I'm hereby for the proud mom that I am. Mama ya koko me. I'm hereby to give you 500 euro. My fans, please support me. Maybe a 500 euro. Not anybody. I want to 2 euro. What me 2 euro. 2 euro. Please share this video. No second me. Come and take 500 euro for your children. Larry, come and give your children 500 euro for a new bed. A new bed. New bed. Oh, Imamu nuenu ya waboki. If we here na because we here a bed na no lot here na. Who we show where you will beggar. You use your children to do beggar. E manipuari you go no we here when me abube here take says aboki na boki. So Eketi, come out and take this 500 euro for your children for a new bed. Please, anyone you can support. Please let us support K children. Justice for K children. Justice for K children. Justice for K children. Because Eketi, she's the most useless, short, obiakbo, frog eyes on social media. Fake life. Imagine a woman that is bragging of 30,000 euros. A married woman. What am I listening? I go marry. Since a marriage, ya war. Tete marriage, he marry. He marry. A singleness in an Maya or now the Mary as a mother papa, a betting of you. You want to have the betting of the middle amunopia. The amunopia. Then your share my people, he marry. Then your share no marry. If not so marriage, be I'm not sure how marry. May not be say money when I take they make my children say not be saying a man. Any man when they come my house, they see my children with their character. They go talk say emoya ba Jessita unuya yata or beyond dread I am one. Beyond dread I am one. You understand? I don't say why you because I'm a wife material. I know how to cook. I know how to clean. I know how to maintain children. I know how to coordinate children. You are coordinated. You may. Of any problem in middle school, then any moya ya or my wall, you are pure. Now when I go back, we are tabo yat or when we tell we are to make a shower. Oh, go tell when we now what I tell so we only of the momo or may 7 years. Oh, what tell video. Iba ita me we mata no pote iwe e well wa te gbe we yata Eketi we no ro wodo wo a uro wo zuo wa blame Eketi o ma maro pa no civilize o ma mara unsa wa me na unsa je mala we mala na mama mi we ya je ave beggars very growth odo we ni me o we di ma obi Gambia, me stories of no time. I will not say what kere. Eketi o ige we ruta we di ma obi ansa ezebo. Na mo be gbe we mare kokopiri ona ba wo bi ansa no. I'll give you ansa pa ezebo. Be ye no who why. Eketi o hu agbede agbenu aya atebo ne Queen Rita. Wan ugwe anerugwe uonu jere no je. Obiapo, eve mana veti eketekia. Cause nini ma fitu kwe. Ale ma ya ni no kwori soke. Please, wa change soke name ni. That is soke. Or anybody no you ye soke. Money can one do wa. Then they soke o wa. Wa they change Wa ya change nini? Cause ke na eni ro la ge wa avi soke ya ni no re social media na. Iya o wa. Wa do musisi egbe no bi wa ve do nware no be o. Wa kuwe. Mona no gree o. Mona no your agree. Cause a Kate, the most useless person on media is a ketekia. For a mad, I will take Besaga women. You may love war. For a mad, oh, yeah, a mad writing the channel and not by way, Saga my your mates. A Kate of money go out. Yeah, that's a Kate any video no war, him or good wow, or my more good wow, yeah, tia bonnet. How many he can't have one in a yard war. And now so now where woman to woman meet fear about woman fear. Egbe me pe my walk on you with me do la one ketsi o yapo. No who are no masi bata na ya. What babo him of it amane. Or when you not reach my level on a pig. Why a pig? The only pig no more kill that one latia. Okay, Danny. There's a YouTube. Have only work back me pig here what amane. Or when you not reach my level no well. I don't die. You not reach my level. You may be level near me, you may reach a level here. You not reach my level. You may level near me, you may reach. Because for me, talking level no wrong, no. O koni we me may pay me no ya se me. Que no ro was wo, que no ro what wo. You may pay, cause that was one of the wrong, no. Mi ave oni me ma illiteracy me no wa mare ye mo pa ne. Ozuori posere wepo. Ne pa oni me maro ozuo be no wa ya mare yi wa ya maro ozuo. Afodo kare wa don ti ni api ohun jo pi ohun re wo wa. Me maro bia no ne kwa gun. O bia oni ne be ni je mi amare me mare. Having vegetables but ya gbegbe ka. There is a bear area botafia. There is a barrier for the those vegetables part. Or do I roll what? Oh, can't see a paw. Or Google Kia, Mama. And then like where will you shut up there? Nemarek Bonio, take Bonnie a bottle, Waka. Nemarek Bonnie, I put I come a single. I will more, master, no few fool. Oh. Ave ko ya ni misbehave na the social media where I get query toto. I will care that way omoga ila weapon. Omoga ila weapon of free. Ise mission of gwa ni ra no we country. Oga keteka no gba o jija o cause your ka tie ni je me o wa gwi ti epo ni je. Your ka tie ni je me e keteka no gba o jija o. Ise ru o wa lo ti epo ni re ti epo ti ogun no ma. Egbe so un ti jagbon no. Ti jagbon no. Te ishe no wo ishe na ma ono pio ma bari agbon na bari ave egbejo onugwe ave we de wi ishe na ro wa ma ishe wa ya mo wa ni meke na we sa gane se ishe reba ne ni je no wo ereba ishe no wo a ereba ne ni mere ona ni ishe mere we po ishe maria we to gbegbe akia ishe mere Nigeria ya wa anything I dey free ire mo pe awo wa na ni a ama iwete ya misbehave we obi omoto no wo no me ba gwegun me isu ma no suppose no do ane le media ma je le je nwa we rudo mo ibi ne o kwa me wa bere bo bi ne ri o wa me bere wa bere wo to kun e meje ibi me ya rototo beni e na wo to kun mo e wa me a ho so toto iye a ho so toto aye ni ale lati ase fi ya ku be veri ya me 12 fada ni me yan lati ya ku ina we ni se ketu kalo nya keti to azuo e keti ni ya bibi ya reba o go every day and night e muere owani e mu ibi wana nware to misbehave even me na kete ka mo gbe o wa we na enemy e have social media people on your boy like mother like children like father like son have me me so le o wana unyineri ya veri ele bi keti averi unyimo unyineri ya no Eketi eri owoni no wa be won bu ti aboneri juwe ti aboneri anu ole iri wa eri ya bi ahun wa share video na oyin abe nwaro to no be ri yan jo wa na do mi iwo abe nware single mother by stupidity abe kiyan because unyiba to sinu we siri anyina eketi Emma, come and take 500 euro for baby bed. So egbe bed ni bugo wa bi e. Uwe na do ati e po ni mo na be laja be social media, the platform wo wa single mother na loneliness the worried. Loneliness e worried o. E worried me because all worried me be ochi pi se be Germany. Oh, ino wa. Inenia. Ai me ochi me be ochi pi se be Germany. And Baron in the other way come and stay with no we were here can't be read to move. Oga, each picture ya wa muya yo wa muya gbele Facebook. Oga, I'm no way there wa go lack of beer. Guy, no reason now. No reason now. The only cheap is a Jamie. Ya pump ya wa duro bokpa. You what here with bros. Come and call the stay with help me the carry children. Go break here me. He break here me in a motor. I can do everything for myself. So, me live a life in here. I want single. Here with Jess, I single. So that tag mono ene be mala. Then wa mujo wani. Or wa ko ate o with single. Any do am ni just clean a mat. Or like mo did do confused. Equal a bunny cake. Come and take 500 euro. Come and take 500 euro. Cake, I ye query a poison. A money here need good health. E mo oku ayoro e beti ni na to te beti ni no be mo beti ni la to te beti ni wa ma mo e latia obubo bube yan wa no egbe beti ni obun me egbe beti ni obun me otukun pa wa snappy wa ma snap toto mi ayore wo gbe ka to ste ragi e wo ore bi me be rogi bi me they are the same I ka po me to te beti ave kona I change up me beti bi me Oni edeni a change e o ege ya o ni to oge. But oge keti no ro me ba de pe ja be mi e be di pe ka na lapi ni o me ba de wa mo 30,000 euro. Una muari Africa according to you. Ama bege be no ya sunu e o. O kan ka ogu mo wa I'm a big woman in Africa. Wa o wa be no o ana. You are a big woman in Africa can you share e we ba yon. And you are a big woman. You are really a big woman. What a disgrace to my personality as a woman. What a disgrace to a womanhood. What a disgrace. Kate, go and get a life. Before Ken Latin, do agree with you, do I go and mass when they total way, man, mass, they agree. And here we boy, I'm at the end when I will learn row. Who went a saga? Saga, you are here, who went a saga. If people they call them nothing, they know they talk. Timo, where? Yeah, show where one going to be 2,000 euro like that. He had changed the room. He said, get on legend. Yeah, it's on legend to ya with video mujo. Then you wear a poison. You're going to thank you. I'm going to share this video. I'm going to invite people come here. Invite them, Mary. Eketi, you're going to poison. Walk, but we should have to do where we are telling piano. Tom Aveno. Who are monitor and make a go with social media. What are you? You shouldn't have a time where they go one. We are in je le masse ouais et mi okpa no ni joro pa no mi joro like lucky na okay ga omo ineru no sa no boari ne have talent na no for social media have prophecy na no for social media oh yeah fake yo yeri no for iba bon la we pe tete kia ga gwe ma ni masse o ga gunya gua o mato tanu o ene ku eteta ona ori agbon to wu get me 500 euro. Aye query e share this video take it gume unwa managa eseke moje si are na doga singo bote ekono ya bio 12 fata ya ye gallant you need turn around gume to like check me where e gallant for shaka me you balance na we so wo e ma gbe bata si my leg see no shoe ugbe aye fi ayi yo gwe o ye ke 12 we aye fi ayi yo gwe o ye ke 12 e 12 Via Jowe, who ye he dwarf. Where Latina, what do I go and in Masowa? What do I go and what a disgrace! What a disgrace! What a disgrace! So again, if we fresh off banner, be my dry. Madra, il est chavi, man, il est chavi, odra. Ameke abdaji le gbeme. Ekete eme nwe. Ose na jeguna na bere nwe kete nwe ro. We adati ne jegbeguna. Join mwe latia. Mwe latia no hu abagmo. Ameke dashi. Odra. Enwe rutu yeri ami ne monisa. Mwe we latia si me press. Sia. Bring your own. Mwe we latia. Ne kuemu. Eketi. Mwe we latia. Enweru du imeni no bia boki na boki be enjoy. Imeni na boki enjoy. Egbe me la no. Do it ka. Ima oni dry. I don't want to dry because in miami. I make a taji. Isika. Iche. Abi bani mwe dry boga. They try over the get je. We want me why enjoy boy. Me as I did so I'm not fat. I'm not slim. But fresh day nah. I did you know fresh day. Fresh they no make up. No make up ma very pada yo cause I was wogun I make up see am bege agwa make up wo me to wa mu ko boto ale sigo moda ya fi ewe o isigo moda enu we wa uri ye moto oh so that means go ya the cat in the government pay the cat omo ya bi record ogbuju we December now elected. Oh, please, you my love the like you was one in best day. You can take your hand or go bue. You get your go out bue. You get to go out bue. You get to go out bue. You get to go out bue. Now she be this. Now she be this. Or go out bue. And when you come on there, you're not there, you're not going because you have finished here, block you. If you block a cat, you know what? A cat, you wow, I can fear the cat. A cat, justice for cat, children. Justice for K3. Please follow Mama Omenwe Talk Show. Follow this page. Justice for K3. Justice for K3. Justice for that is your money, your monomota. While Tiana do viene Kate. While Tiana do viene Kate. Or need the justice. While how can a woman take 30,000 euros to a Nigeria without a trace not sleeping in a good bed? What a good mother is that? What kind of a mother is that? What kind of a mother is that? Oh! I get you. Wow, sorry. Oh, what's up? We might go away. Oh, we might so we might cross the berama. Pity your children. I cry for your children for having such a useless mother who don't have feelings for her children, who don't care about the children's heads. A cat is a stupid woman. A cat is the most stupid woman and mother. Ije wa o wa se mo tagbona. Ije ke ti ruwa wa la ke mo e ro sa gbe mo wo ma bua. E ro sa gbe je ke ti wa o. E o baba. E ro sa gbe je ke ti wa, e ro sa. E ke ti e we po ma se. Share this video. Share this video and don't forget to follow this page. Eketi ewepo mache. Ewepo mache I go take care of more look presente pe mo ewepo mo segbe. Emewepo mo segbe. Keti agodi ma we na ya gba owo mo. Adi do ma we no ko ya responsible. Adi do ma we na ya clean no mo an get azolo mo o. Azo mo yin. Agbe mo to ye every 2 weeks agberi ne to. Tutu wisi no. Idieketi. I'm doing this for you guys. Wanware wa gwalo mi idieketo. Idieketi wanware wa do service o. Idieketi wanware wa do service because I fight this battle for you people. I fight this battle for the children of Kate. I'm trying this expensive tears. This expensive tears for the children of Kate. Oh. Eketi gbe o. Eketi gbe o, ogbe o, ogbe o. Eketi gbe o, ogbe o ne. Eketi fiawo, ije fiawo. Eketi fiawo, me bate beti no mo. Eketi fiawo, share this video. Eketi fiawo, o me bate beti no mo. Eketi fiawo. Eketi fiawo, me bate beti no mo. Okay, come and take €500. If you want more, go out, joy. If you want more, go out, joy. If you want more, go out, joy. This is 200. Another 200. Another 200. Another 200. 100. You make it 1K. Let me make it 1K for kids. Take 1K, go and buy bread for the children. Nobody want to donate. I can afford it. I can afford it. I can afford it. Kate, I can afford it. Take. Go and buy bread for your children. I love those children. They are not my enemy. They do me nothing. Come and buy bread for your children, Kate. Kate, come and buy bread for your children. Kate, what a useless Kate. Kate, you show you was and I'm not about work one who depends in the way. You just get you was Kate, a car table, Nigel, you know, they don't see any Kate to Kate Beo. Ijeketi fiawu, ofiawu. Ijeketi gbeo, ogbeo. Ijeketi gbeo, ofiawu. Ijeketi lẹ́yìnwá. Ijeketi ogungbue. Ijeketi umnene. Ijeketi warrior. Wa almost warrior. Ijeketi no matter about go work. Iye keto gumo sto ku enu mana bata mo we no change we peto mo o ga ri ju ya koko we o ma no ga maneket e ri we begbebe dinu ye una gi mo ga ye bede ruansa iye keto gu amo sto bu e o go amo sto bi ye ket o go amo sto bi ye ket o go amo sto bi ye ket o lo go bi ye ket o go ogbo wa ni no we lo go bi ye ket o go ogbo wa ni o. Kate, you are a disgrace to a womanhood for bringing your true child, your daughter to abroad for a shower. After you have used your daughter, you yourself, you say the money is not enough. Let me go and replace my daughter so that there will be a lot of money. Kate! Or what's your point? Don't marry in that family. Could I hear you a monade pier or one? Here they want to be a gear. It be a go. So far as I never know more sway. Keti pa had a web of the big bag of here. What they were calling not on big agaya with Keti la wepo. Keti, I'm the one because I had to stay in a John of school here. Have my school, this one not like a Keti. No, illiterate is a disease. Illiterate of one, if I say Keti, no, who are. Why are you very comment to what for my content? Why comment nonsense, Jean? Why they drop any I say let delete was and log on mail delete is not very notification. Keti, why do I leave a bad comment in the one bad donated bet in the madam wa are the puppies? When I'm not a bad bet, just a bet. Many every get channel down. I still bold to give her €1,000 for the love I have for kids. Wow, are they poppy secrets? Are they poppy secrets? No, don't leave a bad comment in me. Wow, well, and I'm gonna believe you where Kate about the with Saga. When I get to Saga, wrong. Why do I leave a comment in me with Saga like your mates? I just said you the fear Kate. Me fear Kate. Fear Kate. I go fear Kate. Then they leave comment. They see on a comment. They will say Saga your mates. It will be. I think say you strong, Kate. Katie, we're gonna believe you make it had been me. Mere for nu. House me, ya go. Ime ne bono no me. House a house. Ire for nu, ire ne bottle ne bon. Then ya go say one night. Ime no who way. Lazaro. Ya je kick motor. Nobody go say Lazaro. Wana. I may wake it in a way no manage squad. go. When my make it, I go on and when yet you go say, he may go and say, in any bo. Wag bell, a puppy say cakes. A puppy say cake to wag bell back cakes. Who were ya fia, who were never donated Betsy, ne cakes. Why ye platform in a Proud Mom Gist TV, the page in the number. Do I leave the nonsense comments? What a disgrace to you people personality. Come on, beds. You people cannot afford it for una madam. Wow. Look at money. Me no here. I don't care what she did to me. I willingly, for the sake of the children, the love I have for children, I donated 1,000 euro for bed for the children. 1,000 euro for the children. But as a proud mommy that I am, I'm hereby to give Kate 1,000 euro. At least all your 500, I'm your birthday 500 or 600. 400 in okay. 400 in okay. Oh yeah, the mattress. Well, they need to get rock. A Kate. Well, I need to get rock. CMO. Well, I need to get rock. CMA. Ya they get rock in one. Please share this video. No second. I'm sure yes. I can't point. Well, they need to get rock because I suppose we're gonna moche our meeting. I gave you no book barrel rotor so that the dust get book. Well, wardrobe in you if you have a twice in the book for your token. If you are your token, so that I will back bolo to any Latina. Umanda, I'll tell him my way. I'll tell him my way. I don't look on Mojier. I'll tell why was so west where you are going now. You are running the streets. I roll up why are you on me? Oh, what made you? You run in the streets. Oh, why are you? Kate, come, let me teach you manner. Come, let me teach you manner. Around a bell. I be woman when it be say, if you not find me, I know they find you. You don't understand. They no mafo. But I wanna take wife material. Yeah, I need 75. 75%. Because a wife material only a good mother. Or no no more. Only no ba one be suppose no hey. Eh won the pie left you no kwano me ya koko. E wa gbize agbe man no more. A future on a plan no more. Uma pie masse. You understand? Me say ti your money gba okay without opia. Wow, warrior. What do I go my yave kita yaruga? They are doing their things. I leave your goja, your go sono. Ye government I want a mo 1 year. Ye one latin do I go my go. Wow, in Belgium je. Wa mo me how to wa ere to yeje. Me bare Belgium me do want to where that way not by Spain. He me I won't go funny. Wow. Wow, what the God, people when they watch them, they better pass them. Oh, now better pass them. Not be saying I'm mad. Who don't want to take better pass them? 100. I don't know. They will think say they be better person. Go see Queen Rita Kishi. Not be saying I'm mad. If I come out for this, I see her when I get fine. Better house when you get getting to put Jango lover for children. That's why they find. So no worry now. You see my Kishi. Warrior nyabia. La reterio was waje. I don't want to it depends no more. Maybe on to. I'll content to. It really the nation and the government in my also but remember your children is not doing well. Even never do well. Now every don't matter us work bad and although ya problem. I say no hana mume. I look well before I go. I'm not rushing. Man understand we are no unjomo. Ya marre. No ma kekyomo. No mo da. Help me, I no BF lokwa. If they sort no wa ne guagwa. Na dia ni to marry ni ma do agree with kene moji. Abireti a marry. Ni ma do agree with kene moji. O gba no do agbe mo bi se ro wi ne. Ti a marry. Abi I not think about myself. Oh. I think about my children because mo gbo ni ma o wi ne no di okede. Ma am e wi to ru de gbo lapa no wa to lose omo. Esunu o. So if I want to go, I go for the good one. Not because of saying it suits me. But on Ekman. You know, a young man can mislead. You understand? So if you not get any, my first time when I said the husband, Ekman Pokio. Better one away, my mommy, papa train. Better one not be a poking like a take your husband. I'm not carry. Man, when is a big coordinate woman. Now I go respect. We see all those vegetables. When you go talk, you say, a good boy. Oh, well, it's about me. You. Oh, Donny, will you shut up? Oh, well. Why now you don't start again? I know you be your monu. Yo! You have a body. You have a body, oh. You have a body. Action man out the fire. Action man of fashion. He came when he can take a permission away. I don't want me to cause these people. Are you reason now? Oh, okay, go ahead or you're lifted. Hey, I want the camera. Without no permission. He was to go on and when my back. Me we bunny. He sheva. Oh, that film here tamame we what to do, what not to do. About the way you're equal. Any one no I get go walking up one. Or walking I do beg a kitekia. Now she be her husband. He said that time. Say that time. Now she be husband for the ass. She no get husband. Husband not the ass. Husband. Ereva water. Now she put husband for house. Now Ketekia put husband for house. Not be husband put her for house. Measure be marriage video. I am where if person marry, say the person not get paper, you go stay your house. But better man, even though not be he get that house, as a man, now he get that house. But if we both fear will you are born lava be, you are born like Ketekia be. Fear will you? You no any that way now. You no any be. You understand? Be not you be here. Kono be no any be no. Be no any that our respect eh. Our guy then I go salopua. After God na person husband. After God na my husband to the time when I want marry before my family. Because my family don't work. I don't even care once I marry, it's over between me and my family. Even now, if it's already over. Talk like say I can't marry. My family now there on Leo. You got me? So Ketekia. One shut up. Nu lawa. Nu ye Ariye puesi. Why ya omo tagmo? Many my brother. You know what though? I not there. But he must say, go and get a life. Just busy. Gami, go and get busy life. It tell you go take go. You give makeup. Cause the makeup of the face. When me face never no here. When I forget the makeup when they see for their face so. Those people if they come on makeup and their face ugly because of packaging. Makeup. 3 times a day where they come live video. Makeup. No space. So I don't want to live that life. You know, I know they go beauty contest. Say if I not come makeup or I not come out, I not do. I not even come this year before I come out because 6 o'clock now I go cook for my children. Go give them food. I don't already cook in the morning. You understand? Ketekia. Wow. It's so one no more bed be 10 o'clock. It's so one now I was screaming. Get bed in me. Wa ma show e for wala wa vie ye bed ni ya lati o me no me. Abi e ba ni okunyan ya yi. Who loading ya? We are loading. Imagine woman loading 4 children for such bed. 4 children for such bed. Ha! Ketekia. Who must to bell? Who must to bell? No one went bell. Oh mani a bell. Ketekia. Bell nesin. Idiots. Wala ti wala ti ebone queen. No ro water. Ole ami no be mare kokopiri. Oni oso ni me ugwe. Di vieto ni pun ya o. Vieto atokpe. Wana mi ere wi no ru wa gbe wa ya gyo odo yo vieto. Aboki ri ya think. Ri ya uwe hu ya e wodo e. Ri oje e kete o vieto. Aboki no. Wa share video na gbe no gbe. Please follow Mama Omenwa Talk Show this page. Follow and share this video. Don't forget to share and God bless you all. Me, I go prepare my diamond, my children, the only hope when I get for this life. Single mother or not single mother. They are growing with me. They have the feelings as a mother. They are, in fact, they are only a good bunny. I'm your marriage. Area of what do we say? Area of what I say, what are they married? No more baby. Wow. Ne ya ni be marry be na ge mumu lost no be fian wo ni be ye kere no ni ye 10 minutes no ke ya ni ne mumu lost no what what the season ya you may name for some days mumu lost what the seas for some days now and you're supposed no je wa fa fian wo Mumu lost kete kama gume gwa kere. Ona sala ja on the camera auto gume gwa. Ona mia we are in the same category. We are in the same partner in crime. Who are fia who? Who are fia? Ema here but why live video na ema ya miswenye. Na people when you mention my name oh. I know they call people when you don't mention my name. You don't understand? I know they call people when you don't mention my name. Ipisu bozu or no fia who. Mumu lost no fia who. Emilia kime emila ekimi me wati no be fia who. Iya ya ni sweni no wa ya fia who. Yi tepona. Mumu lost. Wa ya fia who. Eketekia wa gbe o come and take money to buy bed for your children. Take bed in the mo. Agba oge mo. So that you are worried. Oh, and we chest. Agba oge me. So mami where who are you makoko where we take bed. Ibe wo beg how we imagine bed in mo say. Ye iji ma take bed in ni agutu e no yin. But no na mi we no issue e government ma pay issue. E government ma pay ni issue. E government pay no e. No ya gba ogo mo. E government ma pay ni issue in Nigeria. My bad te peti no mo. Eketekia must of fiawu. And I'm the government. Ugata, una moari in Nigeria. I do brag. That go surprise. I go my house for GROA. You go surprise. Lareo. Oh, why you love on a go again? When my woro. No ma kokigo. Oh no lazal like bank. Or you go ya po 1 3 months. My woro. What we go your wa to kwani be having no waji. Me ma kwani pia ime wa ye ni ya a wona te problem na ime wa go ma te pa wa te yeke wa gbe o ave take money do me the meso wa kwani agwa lozuo wa agwa lozo wa mu je wa be e go to na to single mother cause wa ke ya ona yozo na ye maro pe ata e single mother ye be hia bo keke so ketekia o wa gbe o I must go. I'm not a fan. But I not say as I do so I will see husband. Husband Sarah. Yeah, why you poo? Now me they select. I don't look my character here. My social media attitude with this. Come and ask me, you can't know my color. Not be social media on. Now they see me, they come out 24 hours, come they back. No, I know they do that one 24 hours, you want like that. No, I want once in a while. Why will you have a color in your lawa? The father notice. Well, I mean, how long I don't come here last? Because I am too busy. Mama, yeah, when me go, I make it. Go with social media. Who go me like it, take care of the no man ever de better no more. Or fear who? Those boys when they talk say for this my character now see husband. Husband, no, not be person carry take care for us. All those men, women when they back like with the grace of media. Now husband has the tail. So I know this is my case. My case, ma poku. You know, even better pass on yourself. Gallants. Get pass. I'm not settle for less. You understand? Because I don't get easy. I don't get children. I still young go. I never old. People when some day my age, they never born. They never born. Now I make they go lawyer. Sometimes when they born first. Once they just born, they don't get children, they go do worst. So me, I don't born. I don't get any reason to say me. I can't pretend say I too good. Me want to when you not feed me, still put me for us. You understand? I go respect my husband though. You need to respect yourself. So I know you look my character for a year. You understand? Ketekia Ogumosto. Thank you all for watching this video. If you never follow this page, please follow Mama Omenwa Talk Show. Follow me on my Proud Mom Gist TV. That is to motivate single mom. Encourage single mom. My single mom is not a barrier. If not like one of the shame, say now na starter. Now na know as me dey so. Single mom no me swag. Single mom with class. No any no appear feel no come no go na be. I told them they did downstairs. Now I go cook. Give them food, make them chop. So if I want shame because I wanna be single mom, one of the two dolly for inside ask me I be confirmed single mother. Confirm. No any no mom. No even a yako come. So my people, God bless you all for watching this video. If you never share and invite your friends to my Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Follow Mama Omenwa Talk Show. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Proud Mom Gist TV 1. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. I love you all. Jesus love you most. Bye-bye.